Hey ladies, I'm so sorry it's been quite a while, but I was asked to do a video on this lovely technique, so I thought I'd give it a bash. I hope you're all doing well and coping with the second lockdown if you're in lockdown. Yeah, I'm just going to try and keep busy. I'm currently in the middle of setting up some a custom press-on nail business, so as a sideline to my salon work. So this design can be used for that. It will be one of my custom press-on designs. The original design was done by Hazel Dixon, and it was done in black and white, but I recently did one in rose gold, which everyone loved. And so today I thought I'd mix it up some more and chuck some chrome in there, and do a little bit of a rainbow chrome. So all I'm doing here is using my white gel polish, and this brand is the new Colour It collection from HD Pro. It's a pure gel, it's beautiful. And yeah, this one's called Dandelion, and I'm doing 2 coats of white or 2 coats of black, and then on the 2 coats of black I'm going to top coat in a no wipe top coat, which is Shine It from HD Pro. That sets in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then we'll be ready to put the chrome on those black ones. On the white ones, I'm using a matte top coat, which is Matte It from HD Pro. Literally the best matte top coat I've used ever. Like, I hated matte nails before. I think I've said that lots of times. I love this top coat. So yeah, just a coat of that, and again sets in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. So going back to those black ones that have now set in the lamp, we're gonna get our chrome powders, and I'm just getting a makeup applicator, an eyeshadow brush, just a cheap one from Poundland, and I'm just gonna put on there the chrome. I'm not gonna push it right in, I'm just dabbing it over because I want to get a blend. If you push it right in, you tend not to be able to get the blend between them. And then I use this brush, the thicker one, and what I've done there, that's a foundation brush, and I've cut the bristles right down so they're compact. And so once I've put that where I want it, I really push on with that one, and that gives a beautiful blend. So you've got 4 different colours there, the chrome powders. These ones are from Angel Glitter Mats. Really beautiful colours, all go well together. So now we are going to do the feature nail. So this is the rainbow striping tape from Angel Glitter Mats, and it's got the same colours running through it as the chromes I've used. So I'm going to place that on the nail, so it's starting with the blue, purple and down to the pink, and that's going down the centre of the nail. And then I will be able to start doing my zebra print. So I've got my palette, and I'm using the HD Pro Art Gels, and this one is Jet, which is the black one. These are no wipe, so these you can top coat them, or you can just leave them on top of the nail and they don't wear. So you can do any designs on top. They're amazing, I absolutely love them. And you obviously, being in the palette, you can mix the colours up as well, and you don't waste any. And also, because they come in beautiful little tubes, they don't spill, leak, anything. I have some old gels which, I love them, but I hate the packaging and they spill everywhere. Anyway, so this is the zebra print, and I'm using my fine liner brush. This one's from Glitter Planet, and yeah, I'm just creating the zebra print. Really, I kind of work the pattern round as if you were going around the outside of the nail, otherwise it'll all go in one direction and look a bit stiff. But like I said, this original design idea came from Hazel Dixon in black and white. It was stunning, so beautiful. So I'm just working my way around that nail, creating the zebra print. And this is just freehand, ad hoc, like by eye. I'm not going to say there's no rhyme or reason to it, because there is. But yeah, it's just practice really. And make sure you get the ends of each of those stripes to a real fine point. Not a point, like a drag, a fine drag. So we're going to set that to one side. I've put it in the lamp. So that sets up for 90 seconds in an LED lamp, full cure. So I'm just going to start the other nail, which is a full zebra print nail. So similar thing, I'm going to start in the center of the nail, which I've done on any of these that I've done. If I'm doing a full nail, I start in the center, and then I work my way around the edge of the nail, filling in the gaps. When you use the art gels, it's better to don't load your brush, but don't have too much on there. I think I'm just going to put some chrome on that first one now, so I'll come back to that in a second. I'm out of shot, so all I'm doing is I'm using a silicone tool and dipping it into the chrome powders and dotting it, again not rubbing but dotting it over where I want the chrome to be. I'm out of shot, I'm so sorry, you'll see it on the next one. So I dot it in, can you see there? Just dot the different colours. I'm not pressing it, I'm just putting it on top. And then I'm going to come in with that thicker makeup brush that I cut down, and I'm going to really brush it off with some force. And then all I'm going to do there, some of the chrome stuck to the white matte, which is a bit of a pain. So I'm just getting my gel brush, and I'm using gel residue remover, and I'm just very gently and carefully going along the white to remove that chrome excess. That's all I'm doing. Okay, so we'll go back to the zebra print, and yeah, what was I saying? So when you load your gel brush up, you want it loaded, but you don't want a big blob on the end. So once you've placed it down and you're filling in, place a decent amount, but then drag that through the pattern. You don't want to keep loading more and more gel on there, you don't need to. See, I'm just going to fill the gaps in by working my way around. So I'm just going to let you watch this bit now, because this takes a little bit of time. Okay, so once you finish your design, you're going to set that up again for 90 seconds in the LED lamp. And then I'm going to use this silicone tool and I'm going to dot the colour where I want it to be. Again, I'm not pushing it in, I'm just dotting, giving it a slight rub, but nothing too heavy. And actually I didn't film the second nail because it's exactly the same, but there are 2 of these nails in this set, and with the second one I used that makeup applicator brush, and actually it was easier to use, so either or work, but I preferred the makeup applicator brush actually for doing this. So yeah, just dotting those 4 different chrome colours around, trying to get most of it obviously on the black art gel, and then going in with that heavier brush, the denser brush, and just giving it a real rub. And then I'm just using, because I need to get into these gaps here, I'm actually using my 1-stroke brush because it's slanted, and I'm just cleaning up those white bits again with the gel residue remover. Once that's done, I am capping in Shine It, HD Pro Shine It, which is a no wipe top coat, and that's 60-second cure in an LED lamp. So you just want to make sure you've got enough product on there, kind of float it over the nail. Those chromes are literally stunning. I just love what you can do with chromes at the minute. They're so eye-catching. They make you smile. Yeah. These are, look at my nails again. Are my nails ever look nice? Like literally. I've been picking again. Okay, so now I'm going to use the EVOL gem glue and a tiny amount on that middle section, and I'm going to use that big gem there which came from Crystal Parade. It's like an opal. I'm going to part cure that just so that it doesn't move, and I'm just going to place a little bit of my gem glue around the edges there, and then place my yellow Swarovskis, also from Crystal Parade, and then on the edge of that you've got some tiny little purple pearls, so I put 1 each on there. And then to finish it off, I'm going to use my tiny micro beads, which are from HD Pro. I've got these in all the colours, so there's like a gunmetal grey, a silver, a gold, and a rose gold. And then they're so tiny, they're beautiful, and they just finished the designs off. I literally would not do crystal work without them now. Obsessed. This little tool I'm using here is a double-ended tool. It's a dotting tool on one side and a silicone tool on the, no it's not, it's a wax tool on the other, for it's like a crystal picker. It's so light, so delicate, it's a gorgeous little tool, and it's very pretty to look at as well. And you can just see me adding those micro beads around the crystal placement, and then that will set up in the lamp for 60 seconds. Job done. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.